All right, so we got our rods out here on the James River, catfishing with Abby and Grayson unlocked a new character here. And we got Riley and Andrew and me. So we have a bunch of rods. These are my 2 rods. Over here is Riley's rods, and that's Abby's pink rod. Right here is Andrew's rod.
And I got another one.
And
right
here's another one. Here's another one. And we've got hot dogs, bluegill, creek chubs, and shad out there. And Riley's already got some hits on his white rod over there. So we'll update if we catch anything.
I'm out same bridge as Andrew here, throwing out some shrimp and cut bait, trying to catch a flatty, channel, and blue.
My cousin caught a bass. It's been pretty slow all day, got a few hits. That's about it. We moved spots, as you can see, it's pretty cool. We got a few hits on cut shad, but I'm gonna go out there because I see all these little minnows out there. And I'm gonna try to catch something on this little hellcat, see if I catch a smallie or something.
All right. So it's me, Cooper, and we've been out here. I've got 2 rods. I have one out with hot dogs, and one out with a piece of shad, and it's been pretty slow. I've got a few bites, but nothing much yet. Owen,
my thumb, bro.
we just caught a bass here on a piece of shad for Owen here. Good one, first one of the day. All right, so we're done fishing for the day.
Yeah.
I'll show you we'll tell you what we caught.
Well, he was the one who caught the fish. They caught like a...
What's your name and occupation?
Owen. I'm a kid.
He caught a 2.5 pound bass on a cut shad. So that's the fishing report of the day. So later, y'all.